Hi guys, today we are making unripe plantain pepper soup. It's comforting, spicy and perfect for when you want something light but filling. So let's get into it. So firstly, we're going to cook our protein of choice. If you're using goat meat or beef, just go right ahead and cook. But if you're using offals, you know, all those heart, kidney and stuff, what I do is to cook it first. After it boils a bit, I'll take it off the heat and then I'm going to rinse it off, then bring it back to continue cooking. But that's optional. That's what I do. If you don't want to do that, just go straight to cooking. So after that, I'm going to blend our pepper mix. I have tatashe, scotch bonnet pepper and onions. When that's done, I'm going to add it into the meat and then I'm going to let the meat cook in its own juices for a few minutes before adding water. So for the peppers, just go in with the level of spiciness you can handle, okay? It doesn't have to be too hot or too spicy, just the one you can handle is the best. So once the meat starts to soften, I add enough water to make a soup, then allow it to cook until the meat is tender. So now I'm going to go in with my seasoning cubes. I'm also going to add salt and then we're gonna add some ginger and garlic, but that's optional as well. You don't have to put it in if you don't want to. And then we're going to go in with a little olive oil just so it can have that glossy look. Then you cover the pot back up and let the pepper soup continue cooking. So while that's cooking, you're gonna peel and cut up your unripe plantains. So I cut it into smaller cubes. I don't want it too big. I just want something you can scoop up at once and eat. So I cut it in a little cubes, or you can cut in half if you want to. Then back to our pepper soup. Now we're going to go in with the unripe plantains. Put it in, you're gonna give it a stir. After stirring, cover the pot back up and let the plantain cook in the broth and soak up all the rich pepper soup flavor. So now it's time for the magic. I'm gonna add our pepper soup spice. Yeah. So that's gonna give it the extra depth that we want. Then we're going to let everything simmer until the plantains are soft but not mushy, and also until the meat is as soft as you want it to be. Finally, I'm going to stir in the scent leaves. They bring out that signature aroma and then they finish off the dish beautifully. Then we're gonna cover the pot back up and let everything cook together until all the tastes have come together. So now for me, I add spinach, but don't do that if you don't like that in your pepper soup. Okay, that's one of my things that I do when I'm cooking pepper soup. I always like adding spinach to it. But if you don't want to, just go ahead and skip that part, alright? So now this is it, final stirring, and then here we have it, hot, flavorful and so satisfying. Unripe plantain pepper soup is not only comforting but also light and it's also healthy. So give it a try and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple and wholesome Nigerian recipes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.